Today I'm going to be showing how to replace the bulbs in the taillight on my 2013 Mini Cooper. I'm going to use this 90-degree pick to remove this trim piece from around this taillight. And there we go. Usually it doesn't come flying off like that, but as you can see, it's got these little pieces here that it uses to clip on. So you just need to pry all those out to get this out. So now the taillight housing is held on by these 3 screws right here. I've got a T15 bit to remove these. So now usually we'd be able to pry this back a little bit, and then there's a little area on the bottom side here that you need to push up so that you could pull it out the rest of the way. But that piece has already been broken off on this one. As you can see right here, I think it comes out further, and then you have to get a tool up there and push it in so that you could slide it out. But after that, there's just one plug right here that can be unplugged, and now you have some easy access to all your bulbs. So here's the top one, and then you just push the bulb in and rotate it, and it'll come right out. It looks like the bulb is a 1057 to order a replacement. And this is the same 1057 bulb. And this looks to be the same as well. Yes, a 1057. Alright, so we've got all this back in there. So now this is ready to go back in. Plug our plug back in. Push it in until you can hear it click. Now we'll slide this on back in and reinstall our screws. And these do have a little metal ring around them, so it's probably less likely to break if you over tighten them, but you still probably do not want to over tighten them. reinstall our trim piece, and we'll just push right back on. And there we go. So it's the same on both sides. I wasn't going to do the other side, but since that bottom piece was broken on this side, I'm going to at least take apart that side and see if I can show that piece on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna pull the bottom of this out a little bit, and we're gonna use our pick to push up on that little plastic piece on the bottom of this, and carefully pull this out. So as you can see right here, this is the piece that needs to be pushed out of the way so you can get this housing out. But other than that, all the rest is the same as the other side. Thanks for watching, and God bless.